Hey guys, so I was cleaning out an Earthbox, and in the water reservoir I found these little potato looking things. I picked one up already, but kind of grossed out by it. It's squishy. Don't know what it is, but there's a bunch of them in the bottom of my Earthbox. So I'm gonna have my wife video while I cut one of these open, and let's see what's inside. Okay, I'll come down here and video me cutting this open. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what it is. Okay. I'll be out of the way. Nope, it's just solid. Weird.
What is that?
No idea. That was brand new soil, so I don't know what it was. Potato. Looks like a potato, but it's way too soft. It's rubbery. So, okay, nope, not for you. All right, a little background on these. So this Earthbox has been modified. It's got some holes in it there. I had drilled those holes to keep the water level down a little lower. And I set up the automatic watering system, and of course that is very sensitive to level, so it started leaking. So I replaced this box with a new one. This box was planted earlier this year, had 2 habanero plants growing in it. So I've already transplanted them to the new box right here. That's why they look a little wilted. They weren't happy about that. But anyways, this box had been filled with a brand new bag of Promix. So it was not old soil, couldn't have had any old seeds in it. And when I got to the water reservoir, I found these potatoes, whatever they are, I don't know. They're soft and squishy, but I know they're not an animal now. I was kind of concerned about that, cutting it open, having a baby frog or something come out. So they're not eggs. Anyways, that's the extent of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there were 6 of them in here. That's the one I just cut. Again, it's very potato looking, but it's soft, like foam. And they were growing, so I'm squeezing it. Yep. It still almost looks like an egg, that shell. See, they come right out there. So they were, like I said, they were in here in the water reservoir. So they were submerged, not in soil. Anyways, if you have any idea what they are, or you've seen them before, let me know in the comments. Thanks a lot.